Hi everybody, so today I've got my Hot Wheels pack of 3. Uh, it's been a long time since I bought Hot Wheels, the craze still holds on to. So after 20 long years, I guess so, 20 or maybe 10 or 15 years, now that I'm financially strong, I've got a job of my own, I've started thinking about pursuing my uh, dream of collecting Hot Wheel cars. I mean, these are special ones to me ever since I was young. So the model that I have today here is K5904 and it retails at 349, although I got it for a little bit of discount. So you can see that Hot Wheels has license rights from all these companies, and it's a make of Volkswagen, I guess so, if I'm not wrong. And it's imported from Malaysia to India and not suitable for children or kids or babies within 0 to 3 years of age. So I'm excited. It's been 10 long years. Now I'm going to be posting regular videos of my next collection that I'm going to be getting. So make sure you subscribe it so that you can take a look at all the new models. Apart from that, I'll also be buying a few sets. I mean, I can still remember the Double Trouble track sets that I bought when I was young, so I've decided to buy those sets also. So let's go ahead and begin the unboxing. Even with the case on, when I move it, the car feels very premium. That's because these tires inside, they have ball bearings, I guess, or some kind of very good engineering inside them. That's what makes these cars so close to my heart. They feel like real cars when you hold them or roll them on the floor. So enough of the stories. I don't know if there is a proper way to unbox this, so let me go and tear it apart. So there I have. So let's begin with the first car. I'm kind of displeased here. Oh my god, look at the sticker. It looks like an Aston Martin Vantage. Looks beautiful, but still one of the sticker here is not in the right place and the painting doesn't look good. Now I begin to doubt whether these are real Hot Wheels or some kind of fake ones. Look at it. Let's take a look at the other cars as well. The second one is kind of like a dragster. I don't know the make of this. This should be something of Hot Wheels' own creation. I really don't have a name for this. And I think this is my favorite. I bought this set just because of this car. It's a Honda. You can see the logo here. Yeah, and the paint job looks pretty good. The side graphics and all. I think I'll be putting this right in my car. Rear side. Let's read them. It's Honda CRX, made in Malaysia. This is a Lancia Stratos. I'm not sure of that. This should be a Aston Martin Vantage GT3.